Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete all your TikTok comments history. To start the process, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here tap on Menu on your top right. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on Comments and Watch History. After that, tap on Comments History. From here, you can see your comments history. Now tap on comment which you want to delete. Then hold the comment. Here, tap on Delete. As you can see, your comment has been deleted. Repeat the same process with another comment. This is how you can delete your TikTok comments history. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.